TV. You shout out Soda TV too?
Show TV, shout out.
Okay.
Soda TV. Soda TV, what up?
Okay. Soda TV, shout out.
Well, welcome to Soda TV.
Shout out. Whatever it is.
Soda TV. It's Soda TV. Welcome back to Soda TV. How y'all feeling today? Jumping right into it. Today we will be covering Ralo being released from the feds after serving approximately 6 years. Fed. And what does he do? Dun dun dun. In the fashion of Ralo and / Big Meech, he arrives to his hood in a helicopter. Yeah, a helicopter. And on top of that, he's dissing Yo Gotti. So yeah, that's what we get into. Before I cover it, I'm going to get into a little bit Keith Sweat and do a little begging. If you will go ahead and smash that like button for me, that'll show YouTube that this video is worthy of being pushed to the masses of people. Share if you will. Subscribe to the channel. If you don't do it now, please do it at the end, especially if I earned it, but it's better to do it now. Notification bell, keep you notified on upcoming content. It seems as if Ralo hood did welcome him with open arms. Like, let's just be real. Everybody was like, "Ooh, what's going to happen?" Because people didn't put out videos on Ralo talking about telling. You know what I'm saying? And it wasn't just speculation. It was people on there. Let's just be real. His right hand man's was on there providing paperwork, was on there providing telephone conversation, receipts, like back to back to back to back. So let's be real on what everyone thought and what everyone is anticipating, still looking for. They're seeing if it's going to affect him like it did Gunna. Tekashi. These things matter. That stuff blackballs people, man. So it was just hard for me. By looking at it, it was hard for me to tell whether Ralo actually arrived by the plane, because you see the plane clear as day. But then all the you got all the fleet of cars, and he hopping out the stretch limousine. Like, it looked more like a presidential inauguration, a mini presidential inauguration / video shoot with a tad bit of funeral in there, And I'ma stop yapping and let y'all see it for yourself. See if I'm telling the truth. Roll it.
They gonna respect this shit. They disrespect this shit. I promise they gonna wreck this bitch. Who the fuck wrote it? If you ask me, you got calls and money bags. Yeah, they know I love Allah. Don't give a fuck about what you heard. I'm in the Muslim car. Don't give a fuck about what you want. As long as black far, we gonna ride into the grave and take it that far.
Y'all know what's going on.
Hey, y'all stand back, please.
Cameras are fucked. Y'all back
One
up.
second.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Y'all ready?
Hey, y'all. Go back for me. Right here. All right, one. This one right here. All right, on three. 1, 2, ready? You good? One, two, ready?
I look Bankhead.
Oh. Let me get one before I go real quick.
Let Bankhead get one with you right quick.
He said, hold on. He said, hold on.
Fuck you, somebody.
Good. Come on, shout. Shit bad.
Right in Atlanta. Where they at? Where them haters at? Where them haters at? Y'all know where they at? Where them haters at, man? Where them haters at? I don't haters ain't nowhere to be found, man.
Bag up, y'all bag up. Bag up, bag up. Bag up, bag up.
Don't come up, trust me.
There you go. Yes, sir.
That's real right there, man.
Real, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My boy home, man. Joe.
There you go.
That's what's happening. My boy home.
So clearly, do it seem to you like the allegations is working? It don't seem to me like it. It seems like dude is he getting the kingdom come treatment, and he got his people out there. He moving like the Taliban. Literally, he hopping out the car, looking like he got who was it? Gaddafi and what was the other Taliban? It's like the dudes, everybody covered, but it look, we understand it. The brothers is Muslim. We got it, brother. But yeah, that was the most Muslim scene I done seen in forever. But yeah, y'all let me know, man. Like, will Ralo be received like BG and Bobby Smurda? Like, but more like BG. BG is a greater example. With the open arms, everyone is waiting to collaborate. Everyone was anticipating, has this big status, right? Or will he be received like Gunner, to where, okay, yeah, his career is going to progress, but there is going to be some holdback, especially there's going to be some backlash. You feel me? So y'all gotta let me know, because we gotta keep in mind that this wasn't just a word of mouth, or this was his friend that had him on the phone, basically setting him up with the questions like, bro, why you? And had Ralo on there saying that he had to make it juicy for the feds. You know what I'm saying? So, like I say, y'all let me know, like, how y'all think this gonna go down, how y'all think it's gonna play out. Me personally, by the looks of it, by me looking at it from the outside right now, it looked like Ralo was doing just fine. You know what I'm saying? Came out dissing. Wasn't expecting that, but hey, like I say, y'all let me know in the comment what you think. Also, if you have not, and you have maybe forgotten, please smash that like button, because like I said, that helps our videos grow. It lets YouTube know whose video is worthy of being pushed to the people in YouTube. So I want to be in that run. If you could please help me, share if you want, subscribe to the channel, especially if I just earned it. Y'all see how I'm in here, I'm working. I will hope that I earn your subscription. Also, the notification bell will keep you notified on more content and updates on this. You got it? This is definitely Soda TV, and we're out of here.